All right, we're back here with the 75 Firebird Restomod. We have got everything ready so that we can do the rust preventative, corrosion preventative, all that stuff on the interior and around the front and back window sills. Got it all cleaned up, scuffed up, vacuumed everywhere. Next step is going to be to put the product on. We'll have a video for you with that, or I may just add this video to that and make it all one video. But what we did was took a grinder with the disc. I'm not really sure what this is called. It's like a wire brush disc. And then I just scuffed it up, got all the glue, carpet left over. I mean, not carpet, but what's it called? The carpet underlayment, I guess, whatever you want to call it, sound deadener. Got it all off that was left sticking down, scuffed up, wiped down with glass cleaner, and then vacuumed. So before we put the coating on, we're gonna do one more vacuum and one more wipe down with the glass cleaner, just to make sure that all the dust is gone so it'll stick well. And first step to getting ready to put interior back in. After we get that part done, then we'll move on to sanding and painting, which ought to be fun since we've never done it before. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe as always, and keep on keeping on.